chapter air having question answer. MCQ multiple choice question. Correct the answer. Which gas has the highest percentage in air? Answer of this highest percentage of gas in air is nitrogen. Nitrogen is used in storage of food item because it keeps food fresh. It keeps food fresh, so therefore it can be used for protect food items. Unit measure the atmospheric pressure is equal to the column of mercury pressure of 76 centimeter of mercury column, not of 76 mm. This is 76 centimeter. Oxygen gas as compared to water is lighter than water. Cause of the heating of our atmosphere is greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect means greenhouse containing the lot of gases, so therefore this contains greenhouse effect. Fill in the blanks with the proper words. Blanks, the gas help us the burning. Oxygen gas help us in burning. The answer of this question is oxygen. Another question of a nitrogen rich fertilizer is main source. Means the source main fertilizer containing more nitrogen. This name of the fertilizer is urea. This is the urea. The atmospheric pressure on going upward from the earth's surface is decreasing. We are going to upward from the earth's surface, then atmospheric pressure decreases. Acid rain is due to nitrous oxide and sulfur oxide gases. Here nitrous oxide and sulfur oxide. Oxygen is lighter than water. Oxygen is lighter than water, so therefore this fill in the blanks by the lighter. Find the correct sentence from this and rewrite the wrong sentence correctly. So the number one, percentage of oxygen in air is 10%. It is wrong. It is not 10%, but it is 21%. On heating potassium permanganate, we get nitrogen gas. Here not nitrogen gas, but oxygen gas obtained. Sulfur dioxide, when mixed with air, it pollute it. It is correct. There is no change. Another question, the air pressure in the balloon is due to air filled in it strike the walls of the balloon. It is correct. Because of the inertness of nitrogen gas, it is filled in electric bulb. It is correct. So therefore this correct question, though already these are correct, there is no change in their answer. Another question, make the following: greenhouse effect, oxygen, nitrogen, acid rain, respiration, keeping the food item fresh, nitric acid and carbon dioxide. The greenhouse effect is due to the carbon dioxide. Oxygen gas is used for the respiration of the living beings. Nitrogen is keeping the food item fresh, and acid rain is due to nitric acid and the sulfur dioxide. So therefore the correct answer of this question, 1 belongs to D, 2 belongs to A, 3 belongs to B. So the following questions. What are the main components of air? Mainly air contains 78% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen and 0.9% of argon, 0.04% of water vapor and 0.03% of carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide and dust particle and other things. And what are the cause of the air pollution and why measure would you adopt to stop it? Air pollution is due to the presence of carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide and oxides of nitrogen, suspended particles. These gases are responsible for the greenhouse effect and are carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide, methane, ozone and oxides of the chlorofluorocarbons. On decreasing of these gases to stop the air pollution. What are the main uses of nitrogen? The uses of nitrogen gas are as follow. It is necessary for the growth of plant and animals. And the large amount of nitrogen react with hydrogen to form the ammonia. This ammonia is used to make many fertilizers as urea. Because of its inertness of nitrogen, it is used to filling electric bulb or lamp to prevent oxidation of filament. It is also used to store food items fresh. Liquid nitrogen is used as cooling agent in industry. What is acid rain? How it is harmful for us? Answer: in atmosphere due to different cause of sulfur and nitrogen oxide. Oxides of sulfur and oxides of nitrogen are formed. And this oxide in addition, when it rains, this oxide mixed with water, rainwater, then make it more acidic. This is called acid rain. Nitric acid and sulfuric acids are mainly present in it. Effect of acid rain. Due to acid rain, the plant's leaves turns yellow and fall off. The plant leaves turns yellow and fall off, and due to acid rain harms soils, water resources, forest and human health. So these are the effect of so therefore it is harmful for us.